In this video I will discuss about 15-minute walking exercises to lose belly fat. Quick home routine. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fantastic 15-minute walking exercise routine that's perfect for getting in shape and improving your overall health. I recently tried this routine, and let me tell you, it's a real game changer. Now, you may be thinking, what's so special about this workout? Well, the magic lies in the fact that you don't need any fancy equipment or gym membership to do it. All you need is a comfortable pair of shoes and a designated space where you can safely walk for 15 minutes. Believe me when I say that this routine has serious potential to help you lose belly fat and become more fit in no time. Upgrade your home workouts with my Top Gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. So, are you ready to give it a go? Here's how it works. Start walking at a moderate pace for 3 minutes. Then, crank up the speed for 9 minutes. But remember to keep it safe and steady. Finally, slow down again and maintain your moderate pace for the remaining 3 minutes. And voila, you've completed your first 15-minute walking workout. I highly recommend incorporating this routine into your daily schedule as often as possible. Trust me when I say that if you can stick with it, you'll see amazing results in no time. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic fitness tips. Stay fit, everyone.